Hey, it is Monday the 6th of October and we are about to leave Raiatea in the Oa Oa, a 46-foot, 45-foot Leopold catamaran. Yeah, I've got one in the cockpit.
So is that cone in the center of the channel?
I think that's just another mooring buoy. You see there's green poles over there on the other side of the boats, that's marking the reef.
So you're gonna go to the, you're gonna pass to the starboard of that red buoy out
Yeah.
there. Is that a
Yeah.
cardinal?
So that yellow marker over there is that one off the airport.
Okay, that's off the airport. So you
Yeah.
got to stay on the port side.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's the island of Taha in the distance.
Oh, that is?
Yeah.
Oh, it's close. You can't see Bora Bora from here, I guess, because of the clouds. Is that a way over there?
That's Bora Bora over there.
Yes.
How you doing there, Kev?
Thank you. Yeah, I'm doing good. Good little start for the day, for the trip. Looks like another gorgeous day. What's this island called?
This island here is Taha. That is beautiful.
Is it like Taha?
Taha!
Taha!
Il Taha.
Which is island Taha, right?
Yeah. Taha. Behind us there is Raiatea. And over there is Il Maha, I think that's called, which is Mahia, sorry, where we are going to anchor on the other side of it. See a couple of boats there already. That's our plan for tonight. That says coming to our anchor point. Few other boats here, but plenty of space. Day 2, October the 7th, and we're about to set off from east side of Taha, north of the Ila Mahia. 21 knots of wind at the moment. We're leaving the main reef. You all ready? Okay, can we get guys to help with the anchor, please? Taha and Raiatea in the very faint distance. And over here, Bora Bora. How are we doing?
Good, better. Yeah, Captain. All good. All good.
Dolphin! Beautiful. Right. So, Tuesday the 7th of October, and that is us on a mooring buoy in the lagoon of Bora Bora. Really shallow bit just over there if we could swim to if we wanted. There's a really powerful wind gust catching us. We've tripled up on the mooring buoy. Using the bridle that Sunsail gave us, as well as a couple of self-slipping ropes. And there's the mountain of Bora Bora in the background. Tasty coconut. Stingray.
ridiculous. Oh, oh.
So I think this island here is called Taurere.
Yeah.
Taurere, I think.
It almost always
Right,
asks me
we're
to
right.
sit up there.
We're right in the wind.
It's so disappointed when I get in earlier.
Take them.
Oh, come on, Captain!
Lovely. The intrepid explorers have landed.
Okay, James Bond style.
Who's Ursula Andress?
Oh my god, I wish I had my camera right now. Look at that.
Wow, yes.
Hey David, can I give you that so I can use my camera?
Hey.
Tiny holes down here.
Yeah, it's crazy. I don't know what they are.
Give your best whatever movie. Like he's a movie thing.
No one sees this. Needs that. No one needs that kind of a close up. What's your problem?
There's something with black sails over there. Heading out past the other side of the boats.
Oh yeah.
Fastest ship in these waters.
Are you sure?
So suddenly out of nowhere, this rain squall blew through. Really strong winds followed by downpour and we can't see anything anymore.
we go. Yeah, looks good.
Yeah.
Check.
Go on, face the camera. On you go. DRP on location.
DRP, this is DRP on location. We're on the southern tip of Bora Bora. Weather is good. We're at a standard 28 degrees Celsius. Going to dive 200 feet.
Looking for hammerheads.
Captain's log 01277. Kevin Bird has broken the prime directive and interfered with the natives. And we are ready to go.
Got to spread the seed. This is us going up the mountain before we died.
There was a record. Look at
We're literally right on the edge. Alan showing anticipation. David more laughing in fear. Me myself, I don't know what the f- to make of this.
Like, what did I do?
What are we
I thought we
thinking?
were doing 3 hours of snorkeling flying on
Yeah.
the boat.
It's Saturday, the 11th of October, and we are about to leave Bora Bora. Kev on the helm. David and Alan as the deck monkeys. Okay, you ready? Okay, yep, let go the mooring lines. And you can start spinning us round to port. Yep, that's the lines clear. Entering Pass Pai Pai. The southwest corner of Taha. Oh boy, in the distance. Right, we are the northwest corner of Taha, and we are about to do the Coral Garden. You can tie your dinghy up, anchor your dinghy at the island side, and then walk up the beach. Get in the water and be dragged down gently by the current.